Yep.
And once you do an ollie, you can sort of rotate it either direction. You can flick it, and that's when that sets them off doing these tricks.
Whoa, face plant.
Well, you got to keep both feet on the boards. But that's it, really. It's just a matter of timing, and once you see yourself on a jump or you see a gap coming, you just make sure that you snap on the board and you'll clear it.
So it'll stay automatically on that yellow line for me?
Yes.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
For you.
Let's see how I do.
And then just drag your foot across to push.
Do I have to start like that?
Yeah, that's how, because it knows if your feet are out on the outside.
Okay.
There you go.
So should I start?
Yep.
Am
That's
I doing it?
Boom. You're going. And then just jump up. That's it. You are skating. Look at you.
Look at me.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that was good. There you go.
Okay.
Nice. Just 5-0 across the entire rooftop. That's probably the first time you've done that. Wow. And
Whoa.
you're throwing manuals. There you go.
Let's see. Now what?
Just kick it up.
Anytime.
Anytime. Yeah, you can do that. But it knows if your hands are coming in. Wow, there you go. Already doing nose wheelies. I think you've done this before.
Well, I'm a computer nerd, so I was online
Wow,
last
look at
night. What am I doing?
You got a hand flip going because you got your hands right over the sensor. There you go. Look at that, 50-50 across the roof.
Nice. This game's awesome.
You are literally a pro skater.
What am I doing now? Whoa.
You're staying on. You're good. You're staying on. That's a really good score. So you want to try to, just jump whenever you get to the tops of those sort of any of the ramps or anything. Yeah, do tricks now. You're in the style mode, so it'll give you like a better trick. There you go. Wow, that was impressive.
Yay! That was fun. Well, your game I will suggest to anybody.
Oh, thank you.
Now, this has been a fun year for you. Twitter has been something that you've kind of taken over. I saw that you
I don't know if taking over, but
You're taking over Twitter. You're doing something really cool. You're doing Twitter hunts.
oh yeah. Well, we're gonna do a big one actually starting tomorrow, and leading up to a big event next week. So let's be excited about that.
Can we ask you to step out just a little bit, sir?
Oh yeah, sorry about that.
No problem.
So sorry.
No problem.
Almost every English-speaking country we have hiding stuff for when you tweet out the locations, so you get to.
So is it basically like longitude, latitude coordinates?
It all depends. No, it'll be more
I've seen
probably.
like numbers on your Twitter.
Well, those are my really cryptic clues for where the event is going to happen.